So I'm going to guess you are the average guy who wants to fix a couple pavers either in the driveway or by the pool, and you've gone on YouTube and you've looked, what tool do I need? And you came up with this as an answer, and then you've also been scared. You've gone on YouTube. Some people have been like, oh, all you do is you take this tool, you scratch out the dirt between the pavers, pop the paver out, fix it, put it back. Or you're now terrified because you've watched enough videos where they're like, it doesn't matter how much scratching you do, it's impossible to get the paver out. So one thing's going to happen. I bought this tool for myself, not sponsored. I bought this. We're going to take it outside. We're going to try to replace a paver, and you're going to know how well this either works or it doesn't work. Let's take it outside, try it out. So I've learned something. As you're watching, you can see in the background that I am used these to do a whole section of masonry blocks over at my house here. It has a cover on it because this thing is legit sharp. And I will say I was buying it for that purpose, right? To clean out the dirt between the masonry blocks, pull them out, change them, fix it, that kind of stuff. And I'm looking at the product itself, and it is also a weeder. I guess if you have an issue with weeds growing up in between your blocks, this would be awesome for that also. So either of those two missions, it worked perfectly for. It was great for cleaning all the dirt out between my masonry blocks, making it easy for me to pry them out, change them, all good there, definitely. And certainly anything that was a weed that was in there is gone. Super sharp, really nice, works effectively. I didn't bend it at all. I did a whole section of blocks, didn't even make a little teeny dent in it. So I'm gonna say this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a tool like this, this thing is great.